gotten bigger every year. And this year in particular, it was fun to find that there's so many things to do. So we've gone from sort of the basic essential tourism things to some really interesting niche products and attractions and activities and that sort of thing. So that's probably been most interesting for me.
Meet the Buyer Workshop is extremely beneficial. So it gives us an opportunity to sit down and get to know some of the new providers that are coming year after year and some of the new products that they're offering in Northern Ireland. And it's great for our clientele and our travelers because we're always trying to program some new things.
We're always looking for a new product, and it was an amazing opportunity to actually get to meet with people, and the enthusiasm of a lot of the suppliers was really evident, and we're really excited to hopefully bring some more tourism to the north of Ireland.
Meet the Buyers, very well organised, very sharp, very efficient, a good crack.
The farm trip will definitely be one of the main highlights because you get to learn and experience yourself, and then you know what you're selling to your clients.
Each time I discover something new about Northern Ireland. I love it. I think it's a true gem. It's a beautiful destination. Just really enjoy bringing people to this part of the world.
Our clients are generally 50 to 65 years of age. They love a lake cruise, they love the garden visits, manor houses, so this would definitely appeal to them.
I think coming to Rathlin Island has been absolutely fantastic because it is something that we're featuring in our tour for the first time this season. We do a day tour out to Rathlin Island, so it's very exciting that I get to see what it's going to be like for our clients in person, and the bird sanctuary experience, as well as potential hiking routes for our trip.
Everything has been brilliant from start to finish. The gobbins this morning and here has definitely been the highlight so far. It's great to be able to pass that on to the clients and speak firsthand about what you're trying to sell and to get people into Northern Ireland, so it's been brilliant.
We had a great opportunity to see a lot of storytelling and see the culture and heritage of Ireland after meeting the people, and I think that was probably the highlight. The food is so good. We're doing it right now. It's awesome. Huge fan of it, having it local and locally sourced from the farm, and the descriptions behind all the food. Yeah, it's absolutely fantastic.
Highlight of the trip, that's a tough one to narrow down to. I don't think I could narrow it down to one thing. We'll package it all.